Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to stop playback of TinyTask, right? It's really easy. For example, I will just record a task here. I will just go to the new and I will do a small task of creating file, and once it's done I will move it here, right? So this recording is off. Now I will just go and click on play and it's happening in the middle of, and how I can just create it. So I will just move my mouse and click on anywhere, right? And you have to click on play, right? So this is how you can just make it turn it off, right? And this is really easy. You can also press the same thing, escape bar in your TinyTask, or the best thing I can do to show you that you can just close this up, right? So for example, I can close this and now every task will be stopped instantly. So this is a thing, and you can also do one thing. You can just go to the task manager and you can close it up from here. So this is the best way to do it. I can just stop it instantly if nothing is working out, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.